Many people don't realize that a lot of online work platforms are built with beginners in mind. You don't always need years of experience to start. Take content writing platforms. They often just ask for basic writing skills. You don't need prior online work history, just the ability to write clearly, follow directions, and stay open to learning. You can grow as you go. Same with survey sites. Most tasks are simple, just sharing your thoughts, observations, or experiences. They value honesty, attention to detail, and logical thinking, not expert knowledge. AI training platforms, also beginner-friendly. While some roles need coding or technical skills, many tasks don't. Common ones include rating AI responses, labeling data, transcribing audio, sorting and categorizing info. These focus on accuracy and following instructions, not prior expertise. When signing up, you might need a resume or CV LinkedIn profile, occasionally. Phone number for verification, government ID payment details to get paid. Quick tip: if someone helps you create an account, let them add their own payment method. And if you're working together, be fair, split the earnings as agreed. No greed, everyone gets their share, everyone wins.